typically with a single family home, you're going to be, I don't want to say more active, but you're more tied to that investment. You're pretty aware of, is there a tenant? Did the tenant move out? Is the tenant paying their rent on time? You're very aware of, did the management company have to replace, a faucet or a screen door? You tend to be very close to those investments. When you invest in a syndication, you invest in the syndication because you want the syndicator to do all those things. You don't want to have that information. And the syndicator is charging you a fee for their services, which is fine, and they deserve that, but they're going to worry about how many interviews they had to make before they filled that apartment. They're going to worry about making sure that the screen door works and the faucets work and the toilets flush, etc. So there is a difference. The syndication does give us more hands-off control of the investment. And that's perfectly okay. You may be a person who says, I don't want anything to do with this. I want to be a real estate owner without having any real estate responsibility. Syndication might be a good investment for you.